are swimming in the pool. Yeah. Ramirez, let's go.
Sorry.
Wow. McQueen.
Oh my God! Wow!
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
Well, all right, Dan. Get her done.
Wow. Rap. Let's go. Wow, fabulous lighting McQueen. Wow, there.
Come on, King, make us proud, boy.
50 laps down, and the King is still holding us.
Wow, Francesco.
Oh my God! Wow!
Yes, this is Mack. Go!
Get back, you oil-thirsty parasites! Actually, this is my good side here.
Wow, Monster Jackson.
A huge upset.
Neither Lightning or Bobby ever saw him coming.
Yeah, Lightning McQueen. Go.
Oh, I needed this. Hello?
Is this Lightning McQueen the world?
Wow, Mater.
What did I tell you about talking to the accused?
To not to.
Wow. Sally. Yeah.
Oh my God! Wow!
Sally! Sally!
McQueen, will you still race for the Piston Cup? Stickers?
Sally!
Wow. Jackson.
Holy cow! It's Jackson's.
Wow. Holy.
Quite right. It does sound a bit far-fetched.
Ollie, what are you doing there?
Hello, Mater.
Wow, McMissile. Yeah.
Oh my God! Wow!
Wow, Sheriff. Yeah.
I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or something.
Wow. Danny Suarez.
Wait, you're not Bobby. Name's Danny, bro.
Wow, mate! Wow, o cara lá veloso! Wow, Lightning McQueen!